What's up guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we're putting on fork lug guards on this 2024 250XC. The lower fork lug protectors are made with a large chamber around the perimeter to reduce edge grab and ramp the fork away from any obstacle. Made from the same long-lasting composite plastic as TMD rear chain guides. A lightweight lower fork guard that helps protect the lower fork lugs from rocks and impact damage. No matter what type of riding you prefer, whether it be endurocross, dual sport, single track, hard enduro, hare and hounds, trail or hill climbs, the TMD plastic fork guards slip and slide over rocks with much less friction grab than aluminum. Now this bike is protected and ready for battle. Check out our website and social media platforms to stay up to date. See you out on the trail.